debut Xiaomi Mi 8 as the company's 8th anniversary smartphone, alongside the Mi 7, through a launch event in Shenzhen. There is no information on when it will be holding the unveil event. Hence, these phones are rumored to go official either by the end of this month or in June. Recent reports have revealed that the Chinese manufacturer will be launching a special edition phone to celebrate the 8th anniversary of the company. Rumors are rife that it will be arriving with an iPhone X-like advanced 3D facial recognition feature. Today, a Chinese leakster with Kumamoto Technology Weibo account has shared an image showing the Xiaomi Mi 8 Anniversary Edition smartphone. Xiaomi Mi 8 come with a 5.65-inch display, while its larger brother could measure 6.01 inches. Mi 8 expected to offer Full HD Plus resolution and an 18:9 aspect ratio. According to the folks over at XDA developers, who dug through alleged firmware files of the Mi 8, the smartphone will sport an OLED panel with an always-on display feature. The Mi 8 will be powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 845 chipset, paired with either 6 or 8 GB of storage. Late June, the founder of Xiaomi confirmed on Weibo the inclusion of an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, a video has surfaced online showing the phone's in-display fingerprint scanner in action. The 3-second-long video tries not to give much away about the design of the phone. So the only thing we see in the video is the middle part of the screen. The scanner seems to be embedded in the lower third of the display and seems to require a bit of pressure before unlocking. It is also not as fast as the current scanners on devices. We expect other specs and features, like wireless charging, Android Area, with the MIUI skin on top, and 64 and 128 GB of storage, although a 256 GB variant is also a possibility. We also hope the Mi 8 smartphones will be fully waterproof, as opposed to being just splash resistant like the Mi 6. The headphone jack likely won't make a return, which is a deal breaker for some, and there probably won't be a microSD card slot on board. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.